Please comment, like,
share, and subscribe.
Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Spicy, tasty vegan cuisine. Yeah.
We're not going to dispute that, but what we simply are saying is that when you have your immune system strengthened, when you keep your immune system up, then you are going to have less challenges with your health. And we know that this has been proven to assist people by removing the inflammation. You remove the excess inflammation and you remove the pain in your body.
And also, I had an experience 2 years ago here in the Gambia where I was coughing and I was congested and very sick. And after I started to get better, I thought about this concoction, and I started boiling all the ingredients that we have shown everyone, and was drinking it every day consistently, and it cleared out everything. I also reduced my weight because a lot of the weight that we have on our body is more fat and inflammation, and we don't really need that. So once we start bringing in our natural fruits and their herbs and all of this in our way of life, we can start to heal and be much more prosperous.
Now, the concoction itself has been used locally to treat malaria, hypertension or high blood, diabetes, gout, stomach disorders. So we are quite confident that whatever your challenge is, along with changing your lifestyle, this can do nothing but assist you in getting your immune system up. And we can't emphasize that more. When your immune system is strengthened, then you don't have to be concerned with viruses, bacteria.
And yeah, so this is our concoction, and it's also good for even a baby that's under 2 years, under a year. I have a client, her baby is 7 months old, and she gives the baby just a little of it, and she thought it was bitter. She said she gave it to her, and after a few more times, when she see her drinking it, she immediately wants to drink it, because what's in it, you can feel the healing. So if a baby 7 months can feel the healing here, but may not be able to talk to you about it, but seem to be happy, we know that this is our ancestors' way of life.
Absolutely. And don't forget to get our books. They're still the #1 bestsellers.
Yes.
Spicy, Tasty Vegan Cuisine, an informative health guide for the melanated people of color.
And this is for the general population, an informative guide for healthy living.
And our kitchen companion, Eat Your Way to a Healthy Life.
This is Mama Naasira with Spicy Tasty Vegan Cuisine. I'd like to leave you with our contact information. The website is www.spicytastyvegan.com. Our Facebook is Spicy Tasty Vegan - the books. YouTube is Spicy Tasty Vegan Cuisine. Our email is spicytastyvegan@gmail.com. And our contact numbers in the Gambia is +220-347-7437 or +220-347-7430. Thank you.
Please comment, like,
Share, and subscribe.
follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Spicy, tasty vegan cuisine. Yeah.